hadin new banai bala Hiar Thma de kilen Hamas cek Israel menen ga singi pal Hiar Thma sakar Iran ha bakla the de ki Spah Tylli ki missile bat kum yuru klap ni hadi ki drone man the de ki jaka joka Israel rei ki bogin ki missile pasangel an pun theino de arandum jokari Israel kini ga jeng Hiar Thma ga hadien bak Israel Hiar Thma ka consular building jang Iran ko dan hapa Syria
من المقاومة هذا شوف 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 جاي طلقا هاي منا هلا بيهن هلا شوف 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 هلا بيهن هلا 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 بيهن وين ما يطيحن خيطيحن اضرب ولا تبالي.
From Iranian soil towards the state of Israel, we are closely monitoring Iranian killer drones that are en route to Israel sent by Iran. This is a severe and dangerous escalation. Our defensive and offensive capabilities are at the highest level of readiness ahead of this large-scale attack from Iran. Together with our partners, the Israel Defense Forces is operating at full force to defend the state of Israel and the people of Israel. This is a mission that we are determined and ready to fulfill. I will keep on updating you. Thank you.